Have you ever seen an old tree? It's true what they say, that a tree can be a tree of life. It grows with you through the passing years. This acacia tree is about 70 years old. We played around and climbed this tree in childhood. What is a tree of life? A tree of life is like wisdom. Wisdom is a tree of life to those who embrace her, and the seeds of good deeds become a tree of life. In the new heaven and the new earth, the tree of life bears 12 crops of fruit, with a fresh crop each month, and the leaves were used for medicine to heal the nations. Let's check some shops here in Megamall. These shops are about 40 years old, and we like to get some of the best gifts and items here back in college. Since the pandemic, I noticed there were more art shops and galleries in the city. I think the role of art in society and as a source of inspiration for people have been highlighted during the pandemic years. May God restore what you lost, renew your hope, and revive your faith this coming years. May you do everything with love. They said a lot has changed in the city. For one, the Pasig River was cleaned up and there is already a ferry for public transport. It seems like yesterday, but indeed many years are like a passing day, like a few hours of the night.